Welcome back to another monthly review of the Super Slow. It is July, which means I got 22 months under my belt. Holy smokes. If that number's not right, it'll be fixed in the description, but that doesn't matter. I know we are 2 months out of 2 years. Do I have anything massive planned? Not as of yet, but I am working on some sponsors and trying to get some stuff flowing for 2 years. I am actually extremely excited about it. Seemed like a million-year dream before I bought the car. Now that I own the car and I've had it for almost 2 years, it seems absolutely unbelievable. For today, we do have a special guest. Whoop! Boop, boop, boop. That's the Harley. I have not filmed them together since I got the car when it was Hundo OP Stockeroni. It's no longer in that state. Neither is the bike. So I thought I'd get them both out, put them side to side, and show you guys what my preferred style is, I guess, would be the preference term. A lot of people ask me why when I crashed the car I didn't put the ZL1 front end on it. It's very simple. Working man's car, working man. I am prouder than you could ever know to own it. So I didn't want to change it. I wanted to accent and dress it up. I did not want to take away any of its born-bred identity, to which I love. I own an SS. I'm prouder than stink of that. So here we go. This is it. The car is in the current state of project. There's a lot to be done on it, but the outside stuff is coming along nice. I do have a mod planned for tomorrow, which didn't really plan, but we'll get to that later. So yeah, rims are painted black. She cleans up really, really nicely. Still waiting on rear tires. The tires I wanted were back ordered, so the tire place I deal with, which is Dream Tire in Burlington, who do a great job. Called them this morning. We're going to work something out, maybe put something else on for an equivalent price, to be determined. But that's not the important part. The important part is the car is still driving, performing, mechanically is absolutely perfect. Northern Muscle Alliance logo there over the headlight. Again, just prototyping different things. This car is just an absolute savage beast. I've been trying to do a better job of cleaning it this year and taking care of it, but it is what it is. My super casual Harley. Look at this thing. Is that not absolutely mental? Oh, it is hard to believe I own that too, but I do. Basically stock pipes, tank lift, wire tuck, Springer seat, stock fender. I love the way it wraps around the tire. Oh, I honestly prefer the bike over the car, to be honest, guys. I just can't ride the bike all the time, long distances with passengers, or take stuff with me. So, current state of my trunk. I am actually still working on getting this working. Posted up a video saying it was working, and it does work. The issue is I am actually getting some form of interference with the subwoofer, so it will actually emulate the exhaust noise. So when you're downshifting and the RPMs jump and it goes doo, doo, it will actually buzz the subwoofer, which is absolutely wild. And it wasn't syncing up with the actual audio in the car, it was just buzzing the subwoofer. So I'm working on that, playing with the LC2i audio controller, trying to figure out why it's doing it, because I really don't know. If anybody does know, feel free to leave a comment and save me some headaches. I do have some sound matting, to which I am going to remove the subwoofer and line underneath the trunk piece here and up the back and try and soundproof it a little bit. Everything is just a mess. There's nowhere to set anything. Camera gear I take with me everywhere, and there's just nowhere to put it. Still stock exhaust, still stock cosmetically for the most part. These rims and tires, however, are just something special. The blue bow ties and everything about it are just unbelievably wild. Interior, still love every bit of it. It is just a beautiful car to spend time in. beautiful car to spend time in. Having a blast, living the dream, loving every minute of it. Channel's growing, of course. Could not thank everybody who's jumped on enough. That is the 4K dash Camaro, to which I have tinkered with a little bit. I will include a clip of it in here. It is mentally good. Like the optical resolution on it is literally unbelievable. It is hard to believe how good it is. So I don't know what to have planned for this car, to be honest. Money is so tight right now, it's crazy, and I've got other things I want to do. So I don't know. I'm just tinkering and messing, and been contacting exhaust companies, trying to get them on board, seeing if they have any interest in what I'm working on or anything like that. I've been working on the video quality of everything, trying to bring you guys better content, better audio, better visuals, proper 4K. Everything's 4K now. Dash cam, Sony, GoPros, drone, everything's 4K. So I can confidently shoot an entire 4K film, which has been pretty good. I'm going to touch on it in a later vlog, but I don't feel like I'm really much of a YouTuber anymore. I feel more like I'm a content creator and an artist, and these vehicles are my paintings. This camera is my paintbrush, and I am the artiste. And as much as I do love my car, and I know everybody thinks what I do to it's pretty neat, and the visual effects and everything I've done to really bolden the persona of it is good, this bike gets so much love. Everybody loves the car, but everybody thinks this bike is just absolutely mental, and I agree 110%. It is just like nothing else on the road. You want a cam sound? Well, I'm just going to spoil you guys right now. You guys have heard the car, you've heard a million Camaros, but check this out.